everybody, it is Julie. Welcome back to Nobody's Beauty Guru. Today I am here with another Stars and Strikes video. It is my spa items. Spoiler alert, warning alert, I don't have a lot. I don't do home spa type of things. We've already kind of gone over face masks. We've already gone over skincare, and that to me is spa products. Prepare yourself for repeats, and I'm just going to kind of talk to you guys about what I do when I want to pamper myself, okay? Okay, I love sugar scrubs. This is one that I made myself with coconut oil, sugar, some lavender scent, and just a little bit of food coloring. This is what I use for a lip scrub, but you can make larger versions of this for body scrubs. I think that body scrubs are a great way to pamper yourself. It kind of feels like a spa. What I do is just kind of like jump in the shower, get myself wet, and then I'll turn off the water. It's cold, trust me, but it's worth it. And then just kind of like rub and exfoliate and like give yourself a little rub down and then rinse it all off, and it's fantastic. And then again, this works on your lips, but it's the same formula to make it, whether it's on your lips or on your body, it doesn't matter. And it's fantastic. I really, really love them. And you can find a ton of those recipes on Pinterest or on the internet, which is where I found mine, so you guys can go ahead and do that. I also really love luxurious lotions to make myself just kind of feel smooth and nice and primed and primed, and those are all in probably moisturizer and lotion video for the most part. So again, it's kind of like a repeat video, and I'm sorry, I'm trying to like stick it out through the end of this series, but I'm starting to resent it, so I'm going to just push through here. As far as spa treatments, I have this 3-minute peel. I do like enzyme peels or acid things, just something that not exfoliates. I have exfoliators on this as well, but something that just kind of rejuvenates your skin, gets rid of dead skin, brings in new skin. So little peels like this, I do really like. I haven't tried this one in particular. I'm just holding one up as an example. This is a sample, but I have done other ones in the past that I do like. And then speaking of exfoliators, I have a whole bunch of these little samples of Dr. Brandt. There's blue ones, there's black ones. They're basically the same thing. They're, I think there's an exfoliating cleanser, just a plain exfoliator, microdermabrasion, etc. But I do like doing that just to give my surface skin a boost, get rid of everything dead, bring in something new, and then I go into my skincare, which are serums and my facial sprays and moisturizers, which are all in, again, my skincare video. So that's what I like to do. I also particularly like, in terms of face masks, overnight masks. This one is the Wild Rose Corez one, but I like one that is thicker to put on at night, and then you wear it overnight. It's just like a really deep moisturizer, but they call it an overnight mask, and I think that these are great for waking up just feeling refreshed and pampered. I also love, but do not have with me here, the under eye patches that you can get that are like cooling gel. I put those in the fridge first, put those on my eyes. They're beautiful. I love those. I also like the paper sheet masks. Sometimes when I'm doing my nails, I'll put those on, or if I'm just laying in bed watching YouTube on the television, streaming to the TV, I'll put that on and just kind of veg out and put on a face mask that's like a sheet mask. But face masks in general are great as well. And those are kind of like my spa-like products. I always kind of have music on, so I will put on something soothing, a little Sarah McLachlan or something like that, just to kind of de-stress myself. And I do have some room sprays. I don't have any right now. I've kind of run through all of them, but I do like a light lavender or something that's citrusy. I like to just kind of do like a sheet spray on my bed or in my room in general to just give myself a little bit of like aromatherapy relaxation. Also really love a humidifier with a little bit of essential oils in it as well. Especially in the winter, the heat in my apartment is like forced air, very dry heat, and I like to put a humidifier on with a little bit of essential oils just to kind of give my room a little bit more moisture and a little bit of like a soothing smell, which I feel like is something very spa-like. So for me, those are the spa things that I love. Spa things that I hate: being naked in front of strangers in a robe that is often just too small to cover my girls and my bits, so I end up just feeling more self-conscious than I should in a public space. That's not fun for me. Cucumber water is disgusting. I don't like it at all. So thank you for infusing my water with cucumber and basil and all these funky things, but I'll just take plain water. So that for me as a spa experience is a strike. Also, spa experience that I don't enjoy is like the commonplace locker room, but that also has all of these things that people just end up stealing. So it's like hand towels and body moisturizers, and do you want to brush your teeth, and all those kind of like different accoutrements that just kind of end up in there that are supposed to make it feel luxurious but make it feel like a weird hotel bathroom. Not a fan. It makes me uncomfortable to watch people steal it. I mean, they think they're, you know, I'm paying for it. I'm paying for my massage, so I could just take all of this and dump it into my backpack. It makes me deeply uncomfortable. It's not fun for me. Also, spa experience that I don't appreciate. I've had one full body massage in my whole life, and it was like a deep tissue massage followed by a full body scrub. I left there feeling like the Tin Man in The Wizard of Oz, like all buffed and amazing. But then you go home and they tell you like hydrate and prepare to feel awful because all the toxins are being released. You're gonna have to nap. You're gonna feel like completely out of sorts, and you do. So I don't enjoy that. I don't like having a hangover from a massage. It's not fun for me. Also, I don't want a stranger like massaging my fat folds. It makes me uncomfortable, and I know that's on me, not on them. I know they see all kinds of bodies, and it doesn't really matter. My masseuse yelled at me for like clenching and like tensing up, but I was like, I don't know where you're gonna touch. I'm on my belly. I don't know where you're going next. How high on my leg are you going? And I like tense and freak out, and she was like, you've got to relax. And I was like, I can't relax. I have a stranger's hands on my naked body. This is not relaxing for me. And then I started to relax, and then I realized that I was like unconsciously moaning. Like she would hit like a knot and I'd like groan. I would make sex noises, and then I'd be so embarrassed that I tense up again. And it's not a process that works for me. I don't like it. If you want to give me a facial, that's fantastic. But if I've got to get fully naked and let you just run your hands all over my body, no, I don't like it. So those are my strikes for spa-like experiences. And then the rest of it is just whatever works for you. It's so personal, and I think I've touched on it, the pampering things that I like to do in other videos. So that's it for this Stars and Strikes, guys. We're almost done. I think the last one is just our favorite and least favorite makeup brands as wholes. I can't wait to be done. I really, really can't. I love you guys, but like nobody watches these, nobody cares, and I just want to be done. So that's it for this Stars and Strikes. I hope you guys liked it. I don't know why you do. You don't watch them. So, you know, it is what it is. But I hope you learned something about me, like the fact that I hate massages. That's it for this video. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up, click subscribe. I mean, if you want to. And I will see all of you in my next video. If you decide to stick around, please stay. Alright guys, bye.